Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 125 score high grade Gundam H2 Magnum SV version. Right, here is the box itself. Now, you may notice I'm not in my house right now, I'm at a different desk, so it's because I'm at my friend's house right now, because I'm here chilling with him and, you know, just having fun before the New Year comes. Say hi, bro.
Hello, YouTube.
Hey, so, alright, yeah, so basically this is my present from my mom and dad, and this is one of the presents. I'll show you the big present that you guys may or may not know later on. So yeah, so unboxing. So yeah, got H2 Magnum. I know I already have the original H2 Magnum, and they are planning to release the options parts to make the SV version for that color. But I said I will get the option set, but I got this because I like the color scheme in the sky. Plus, I'm a huge fan of H. So that's going to unboxing. So yeah, that box art, and it's alright. It's not the best box art I've seen, but it looks pretty cool, nonetheless. Right. So bro, I want to ask, which is your favorite Gunpla from the Build Diver series so far?
So far, Gunpla, I would say maybe the higher than double O, what is it?
Double Sky.
Yeah, double Sky.
High and Sky. The heavy weapon system.
Yeah, heavy weapon system.
Alright. Yeah, I heard he wants the Transact colors, but he can't decide whether it's like from the High and Sky phase or the Transact Infinity colors. Okay, that's what I'm saying. On the side here you get the stuff you can do, and yes, it comes with new parts. The new parts that's different from the H2 Magnum is the side skirts, the V-fin, and then the backpack plus the new funnels. Basically, it comes with, and also the leg parts as well. That's also new. Yeah, and yeah, it's basically the same thing as the H2 Magnum. Nothing has changed. Just the different color scheme and new parts basically. Yeah. On the side here, we got the front and back shot. And it doesn't really say how much it retails, but it's also 2,200 if I'm not mistaken. Let's open the box. So, bro, what do you think of the H2 Magnum? Do you find it a really nice kit, or like, I know you have the Massacre H2 Diecon, which you got like some time ago, but do you like the H2 Magnum?
Yeah, I mean, I do like it. Yeah, I'm planning to get a kit, but I don't know which one to get, the original or this version.
I mean, if you like the old color scheme, you can always get the option set if you want. Thank you. First up, we got the multicolored runner A-plate, which is from the original H2. You get beam sabers, which are the beam sabers are fine. Stickers exactly the same from the H2 Magnum, the original one. Exactly the same, no change here. You see, you get the yellow, the white, the purple, and which is different from the orange in the original H2 Magnum, and then the nice gray color. I just realized the material is really soft. I thought it would be like the crinkly plastic, but no, it's actually soft. That's pretty interesting. Next back, we got the oh god, the parts falling off. That's not good. The new parts is the M runner, which is for the set extender, the parts for the backpack, the beam Vulcans, and the parts for the Sigmaxis funnels. And the old parts again, just parts for the Sigmaxis funnels. And in the back, we got the K2 plate, which is from the H2 Magnum. All the gray parts for the funnels and the shoulders and such. Next back, we got the L runner, which is for the F funnels and the Shigori shield and the stand. Comes in, pretty neat. The J runner, which is from the original H2 Magnum. No change here. The white color, two of them. No, packaging is new, has not expected this. Okay, the M runner, you get two of them. You get the part for the feet, the new parts for the leg, the new backpack. The spoiler's gone, but you get a new pack for that. The new V-fin, and the parts for the Sigmaxis funnels. You get two of them. And the last pack, you get the poly caps, the D plate, which is from the H2 Magnum, and the K1 plate, which is from the H2 Magnum. Okay, let's put that aside. And look at the manual. Yep, so the manual is here. Yeah, the build is pretty much the same, but not much has changed. just to get new parts basically. Yeah, so nothing special, like the usual stuff. Yeah, so yeah, it's all the usual stuff, the same thing. So I'm really excited to build it when I get the time. And yeah, I know school starting soon, so hopefully I can build it before my school starts. But yeah, so yeah, that's an unboxing of the high grade Gundam H2 Magnum. I'm really excited to build it. I'm not sure when I'm building it, but I'll hopefully build it by then and get the review out of the way. There. Yeah, that's not good if the parts falling off. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I'll do another unboxing later on, so do catch that, and you'll see what I got there. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. Thanks bro for joining the unboxing. I know you're not speaking a lot, but it's nice to hear.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.